Want to reset your iPhone without a computer or iTunes? In this video, I'm gonna show you the easiest direct way to factory reset your iPhone. So stay with me till the end. First, you need to back up your data. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap your profile name at the top, then select iCloud. Next, tap iCloud Backup. A factory reset is permanent and wipes everything from your iPhone. That means you're gonna lose all your files and data. If you want to use your data again after the reset, you'll have to create a backup. So, go ahead and turn on the toggle next to backup this iPhone. Tap on Backup Now button and follow the on-screen steps and wait until the backup is done. You can restore this backup on the same iPhone or a new one. Tap the top icard to watch my full guide on backing up your iPhone. Make sure you stay connected to Wi-Fi during the backup process. If your iPhone has a physical SIM card, remove it gently. If you're using an eSIM, delete or erase it from your iPhone if needed. Once your backup is complete, let's move to the second step, erase all content and settings. Open the Settings app again. Scroll down and tap General. At the bottom of the page, tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. To factory reset your device, select the last option, erase all content and settings. You may see a confirmation screen, so tap Continue. A prompt may ask if you want to keep or delete your eSIM and data. If you're selling your iPhone, choose Delete eSIM and Erase Data. In my case, I just want to reset my iPhone, so I'm choosing to keep eSIM and erase data. Tap Continue to move ahead. You'll be asked for your lock screen passcode. Enter it to confirm you want to erase everything. Next, enter your Apple ID password to turn off Find My and remove the activation lock. Now wait while your iPhone restarts. Once it's done, you'll see the setup screen. That means your iPhone has been successfully reset to factory settings without using a computer or iTunes. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.